It's taken 6 years, but Samoa's new consulate office is finally under construction in Mangere.
The office will move next year from Auckland's K Road to be closer to the Samoan community in South Auckland. Here's Sena Folava.
Digging deep for a new start. Auckland Mayor Len Brown at the Samoa Consulate groundbreaking ceremony in Mangere. The ceremony is a long time coming for Samoa's Consul General, Fa'aolatoi Rupena Pongi.
It's been longer than we expected, 6 years to try and come to this stage.
Samoa's Auckland Consulate office was initially set up in Auckland Central at a time where many Pacific Islanders were living in Ponsonby and Grey Lynn. Now that's changed, and a growing number of Samoans are living in South Auckland, prompting a shift of location.
The purpose was to make it easier for our people to access the office, because there's quite a lot of Samoan people living now in Auckland.
That easier access is welcoming news for Mangere MP Su'a Williams-Seal.
It's an exciting move because it also adds to the development plan of the town centre.
Right opposite the Mangere town centre is where the new Samoa consulate will be built. On this piece of land behind me, it looks a bit barren now, but give it a year's time and a new Fale Samoa will be right here.
And there are bigger plans beyond Samoa's new consular office too.
Samoa wants to establish not just consular office, but a cultural centre of such, where the learnings about the Samoan culture and language can also take place.
Something the Mangere community will enjoy as they prepare to turn this Samoan Fale into a Samoan home.
And if you're wondering what will happen to the Fale Samoa on K Road, it will remain there as an attraction until the Samoan government decides what to do with it.
It'll be great though to have that big Fale Samoa in Mangere though.